That's Laszlo, the workshop cat, and Mark, the workshop cat feeder.
Yeah,
so
slave.
Yeah, slave, yes. So how was the car yesterday? Obviously, we cleared the codes.
Obviously, we borrowed your Carly, plugged it in, WhatsApped it, sorry, Bluetoothed it to the phone, and brought up lots of faults. We cleared them all.
Yeah.
It has cleared the fault. It hasn't. The engine check light hasn't come back on. What I found with a catalytic converter fault, that the fault sensors generally take a couple of days
Okay.
for the readings to come through and flash up.
And we're currently a Thursday, so it might on Monday might come back
might
again.
On Monday,
yeah.
probably. And but the garage advised me to really not keep clearing the codes. But the problem is, once the engine check lights come on, where in the digital display section of the odometer, where you can check your mileage and your miles per gallon and stuff like that, another warning light comes on, which then kicks in the fan on the engine, because the car feels there's a fault and it may be overheating, so the fan
or sort of limpo home mode or something.
Sometimes it could chuck it into a limp mode, but generally you need to pull over, turn off the ignition.
It did smell really fuely as well, didn't it, yesterday?
It did smell fuely. Once in the bottom of the sort of main cluster, if that fault light comes on, activates the fan, you can stop the car, take the key out, restart your ignition, and then that fault code will go.
Okay.
But then it will come back on again in 20 miles or something.
I mean, I suppose the important thing is we got the sort of fault log, so you know you can give that to the garage.
The fault is logged, and I won't. The garage did say it's probably best not to keep clearing the faults. As the car sort of sets it up that there is an issue, and you might put it into a limp mode.
Might have some sort of strategy of dealing with that. Who knows?
But because the fan does kick in every now and again, if I'm doing a motorway trip, I will clear the codes before a long journey. Just so I don't have to pull over when the other warning light comes.
Plus, you know, it's a pain in the arse. I don't like looking at check engine lights. You know, I don't think anyone does really.
Good. But obviously, there's a fault with the car that needs to be addressed in the next couple.
But garage is looking at it. Happy days.
But yeah, the Carly diagnostic fault reader clearer is a very good unit, and I would recommend it to a BMW owner.
Yeah. And what do you reckon, Laszlo?
Well, Laszlo says.
Laszlo says, don't get too deep into your repair costs. But you know, hindsight's a wonderful thing. But yeah, hopefully, you know, the car runs well now, though, doesn't it?
Runs very well, yes.
Because it was running like a bag of shit after you injectors. Obviously, it runs well now, but it's still got this hiccup. So
yes, BMW banish my
wallet. Yes.
On that note, we will end.
All right. Cheers.